Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a cheap solution for RGB lights. Okay, this was about $20 on a Chinese website, so this video is not sponsored, so I will not leave the link, but it's really easy to search. So LED Strip RGB. Okay, so this is the remote controls where you can choose from several colors and also several presets. This is the remote control unit that will require to switch all the lights, and this is the infrared receiver. Okay, and this is the socket that will connect to the LED strip. So this is one LED strip, and this is the socket that you will connect to the control unit, and this is the LED strip itself. And if you wish, you can cut over here. Okay, if you don't want the LED strip to be so long, you can cut it. Also, it comes with glue. You just need to remove is white tape, and you can glue the LED strip wherever you want. Okay, so really easy to set up and really cheap solution. Okay, so this is how you attach the control unit to the LED strip. And now just requires to connect the AC adapter. And now let's have a look at the LED strip working. So as I told you, there are several presets that we can use, and we also can change colors. There are plenty of options, so just showing you how easy it is to switch from one preset to another. Okay, so now let's check this with the room even darker. So I will turn off the light and get the camera closer to the LED strip. And now let's check it applied to my setup and the final result. So don't forget, if you like the video, to give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe and check the other videos on the channel. I see you on a new video. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.